James Bond just traded his Aston Martin for something you've never heard of. Meet the Denza Z9 GT. Daniel Craig is officially the face of this brand, and it's coming to crush the luxury EV market in 2026. With 3 electric motors and over 1,000 horsepower, it's faster than almost every gasoline car Bond has ever driven. It blends Chinese battery tech with European-style luxury. Is the Bond look better in a silent EV or a screaming V12? Tell me your pick in the comments, and subscribe for the future of luxury.